Hello everyone, I'm Janalene and today I am going to walk you through what to expect from the inspection reports when selling your home. Understanding this process is key to a smooth transaction, so let's dive in. First, let's break down the key components of an inspection report. Step 1. Types of inspections. In Florida, a typical buyer's inspection might include a general home inspection, a termite inspection, and possibly a wind mitigation inspection due to our specific weather conditions. Step 2. Detailed findings. The inspection report will detail the condition of various components of your home, including the roof, electrical system, plumbing, HVAC, and structural elements. The inspector will note any issues, big or small, that need attention. Step 3. Common issues. Be prepared for common issues like roof wear and tear, minor plumbing leaks, or electrical system updates. In Florida, termite damage and moisture-related problems can also be common findings. Understanding these potential issues beforehand can help you prepare for the report. Step 4. Report review. After the inspection, the buyer will receive a detailed report. They may share this report with you, highlighting the areas of concern. Review this report carefully to understand the issues and the inspector's recommendations. Step 5. Responding to the report. The buyer might request repairs, a credit, or a price reduction based on the report's findings. Be prepared to negotiate and address the significant issues. Minor issues can often be handled by providing a credit or making small repairs yourself. Step 6. Documentation. If you agree to make repairs, keep all receipts and documentations to show the work was completed. This will be important for the buyer's final walkthrough. Proper documentation helps ensure that there are no last-minute surprises before closing. Understanding what to expect from inspection reports can help you navigate this part of the selling process with confidence. If you have any questions or need guidance, I am here to help. Thanks for watching. See you next time.